This week we are learning about the three bears, and the three bears went on a little walk, and that's how come they left their house alone for little Goldilocks to go and eat their porridge. So what we are doing is we are taking a walk in our neighborhood, and I'm Mommy Bear, this is Daddy Bear, and we have Baby Bear with us. Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
So y'all can just go out and have some outdoor time, get some fresh air, get some exercise, and take a fun little nature walk. You can go and try and find cool things on the ground, make a scavenger hunt.
Pick up bugs.
Yeah, don't pick up bugs unless you like bugs. And
I
then
like bugs.
you like bugs?
Yeah. Me too.
And just have some fun and enjoy the family and quality time. And send me some pictures of what y'all find or of y'all's little outing that y'all do as a family. I'd love to see some pictures. You can pick some flowers, give them to your mommy or your brothers or sisters. Thank
Mommy
you.
Bear. I like that one. No, that's for Mommy. Baby Bear. And
Uh-oh.
Baby Bear.
Baby Bear and Daddy Bear.
And like Baby Bear's chair.
Do you think when we go home somebody's going to be laying in your chair?
No, not laying in the chair. Laying on the bed.
Laying on the bed?
Yeah.
Oh, watch out for the hole. Baby Bear, do you think somebody's going to be laying in your bed when we come home? Yes or no?
Mommy Bear.
No.
Do you think someone's gonna be laying in your bed?
I hope not.
Wow, let's see.
Because my bed is too soft. Guys, I came home and I really think somebody is asleep in my bed. Let's see who it is.
I did
Bear. Oh, man. We made it home and Goldilocks was not in our house. Thank goodness we locked our door, but Daddy Bear tricked us and was hiding in the bed. But I hope you guys go on a walk, and I hope you guys can send me some pictures because I'd love to see y'all's beautiful faces. I will see you guys in a little bit, and we will talk more about the three bears. Bye.
Bye bye.